My name is Colleen Townsley. I'm part of the Hubble Space Telescope project. I work as the Hubble Integration and Test Team Manager. Behind me is what we call the VEST structure, which is the Vehicle Electrical Systems Test structure. And inside of each of the bays, which correspond to the bays that are actually on the Hubble telescope on orbit, we have flight-like units, we have engineer and test units, we have simulators, brass boards, different things that comprise everything that we would need to test on the ground before we would send something up to the spacecraft. Anything that's going to be going to the spacecraft, like new flight software releases, different procedure changes, usually needs to be tested in this facility first before sending it on orbit. Well, I started in October 1988, so almost 35 years. Beginning with the work with Hubble, I've been part of the actual integration of the Hubble on the ground, launch of Hubble, and then the subsequent service missions with testing of the replacement hardware, and of course subsequent maintenance of the hardware and all. When I was in high school, women weren't in these type of professions. You were going to be a secretary, you're going to be a nurse. You just didn't have that kind of like push to go into the sciences and things like there is now, thank goodness. When I mentioned I'd started in 1988, everybody treated me with the same respect. I still had to work hard to move to different positions, and you know, we work long hours. There's an anomaly, or weekends, for holidays. It's a lot of hard work, but it's extremely rewarding. And I'm always still improving myself. If I can inspire another young woman to go into the field, any science field, in fact, that would be wonderful. I mean, Hubble's still producing great science, and we have overcome a lot of obstacles. I mean, it's a fascinating piece of satellite. Still going strong, and I expect we'll still be going strong for many years.